Hello, welcome to back a new video. This video we are checking global and dim variable. Two useful form and one module. Okay, module insert. User for one, two, two command button and three command button. User one two, two command button. Simple study. Okay, not a good. One command button. Go to user form to copy and go to user form 1 select and command button 3 command 3 and show yes okay and this not forgot settings user form settings is settings show model false and user form 2 settings show model false to user form show model false okay and user form 1 okay now to user form okay same okay to user form same time using the show model false okay show model false to user form show model false same time using show model false not forgot okay show model false to user form this is same time used now msg box yeah okay and copy go to command 2 copy go to user point then 2 command 1 copy go to command 2 copy and check it to where this what is this okay now empty 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 okay no now we check it to one command button dim yeah as string okay yeah okay good now we checking the okay now two form checking okay or two checking good okay no 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 okay now checking good the model to checking message yeah look okay look not to come okay now understand this is okay user phone 2 user phone 1 okay now we this is declaration string is declaration cut and year okay year declaration now good good okay this is declaration pass year good good mm, but look not pass year this user form same settings understand to say something okay this declaration cut yeah paste okay this is declaration paste here to user form declaration paste okay the user form 1 user form 1 declaration user form 2 details. Okay, same with checking. Okay, this user form one, the good. Okay, pass here, but no pass here. Okay, this setting look pass here. Okay, separate good look, but is same is a setting global. How to global? We go to this first this declare some cancel one user form two cancel user form one this cut and dim rate global but not error. Okay, so this is copy cut and cut go to model. Okay, paste here. Okay, model paste here. Okay, this is global and now go to this this not only this code only. Okay, now combo to this code. Okay, now checking. Now we are checking this. You understand this? Okay. Now command button the good to pass area good. Now good. Now good. Okay. Okay. Good. Good. This command button area pass to look. Okay. Look pass it. Okay. Pass it here. This. Okay. Understand this? You understand this is a this like and sh- share your friends and subscribe comment subscribe button. Okay, thank you very much. My video.